Hello, I'm Tony Wade. I'm with Clean Water Solutions, and I have just got my Aquanator and unboxed it. I've got my bulbs in it, so it's ready to be plumbed. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Just a few things you'll need. You'll need primer. I like the primer. PVC glue, pipe thread sealant, tape. You can use either or, but I use both because it just seems like it takes a better seal that way. Our channel locks, Sawzall. The only thing key you want to know is I dry fit everything before I hook it up because I want to make sure it's going to fit and I ain't going to have to recut or anything. But the way we usually start is we'll grab the tape, we'll tape around the threads. Then you want your union on. Always put your ball valve above your union because what you need to do is you need to take this in the winter time. You need to take your Aquanator in the winter time, and it's just easier if you can shut the water off, unhook it here in the house, 4 minutes. That's all there is to it. After I get them all dry fit like they are, I will come in and I will glue them, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching.